have never used this before, but I've seen people use it in tutorials. I never realized that it was free, so we're going to make something with this. There's a fair few like presets in here. Let's see what happens. There's a lot of parameters that I can edit. I'm just gonna do a little bit of random sound design here. Go mute that and then mute this as well. Another surge, and we're going to layer it. I've never really used FL Studio, but this is what I imagine like FL Studio stuff would sound like. It's pretty cool that you can like quickly change category as well. I really like that. Let's do like pads or something. I'm just going to grab these chords. some drums and just make something real quick. This is why I made this MIDI kit, because sometimes when I'm feeling lazy and I just want to see whether or not like a loop works, it's just easier to just drop in some like drum MIDI and just test it out and see if it's like too complex or there's too much going on or whether it needs more. There's just kind of like that real like fine line between the balance there, whether you're like going crazy with the melody and you need to strip back the drums, or whether you're going to go crazy with the drums and you just want a really simple melody. And sometimes it's just fun to just drag in like just pick a random one, drag it in, because the pattern is not usually like what you would think of. You know, you might have a different pattern in your head, but if you just drop it in and then just roll with it, maybe edit it to your liking, you're just essentially generating ideas. This has a lot of good sounds. I'm definitely going to use it a lot more. There's so many presets. It's crazy. And it seems pretty easy to sound design with. It feels like a mix between Aspire and Serum. It feels as easy to use as both of those as well. In some ways, like with this, a lot more convenient to use to flick through presets. Go check out my Patreon if you want to support the channel. It's a really great way. It includes the MIDI kit that I just used. It includes the stash kit that I just used. There's like project files. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.